In this video, we'll explain everything you need to know about mind mapping. We'll cover the basics and show you how to build your own mind map in Lucid. What is a mind map? A mind map is a visual diagram used to visually organize information, starting with a central topic and branching out into related ideas and concepts. Anatomy of a mind map starts with a central node. From there, you add branches for major themes and child nodes for specific details, creating a clear hierarchy of thoughts. Common use cases for mind mapping include brainstorming new projects, organizing complex research, and planning meeting agendas. It's the perfect tool for breaking down big ideas into manageable parts. To get the most out of your diagrams, follow these mind mapping best practices. Keep your text concise, use different colors for branches, and incorporate images to spark creativity. To add a mind map in Lucidspark, navigate to the toolbar, open the organizer drawer, and select Mind Map. Click the canvas to generate your basic structure. Place your main subject in the center. Then add branches for associated topics and subtopics to effectively break down your main subject. As you explore subtopics, continue adding branches. In Lucid, you can easily reorder nodes or change styles to keep your workspace organized as your brainstorm grows. Using AI to generate a mind map is easy. Simply provide a prompt, and collaborative AI will instantly build a structured mind map to jumpstart your brainstorming session. Now that you know the essentials, it's time to start mapping. Head over to Lucid and start visualizing your next big idea today.